It's your girl Utopia. She's got flavor. Bang Bang Shrimp. Get yourself some raw shrimp, peel the vein and tail off. Grab some cornstarch. Season that thing up, baby. Whisk it up. And you know what? Let's add a little more seasoning because we want to give the real flavor. Add your buttermilk, marinated shrimp, and coat that thing up so good. Then we're going to take a little bit of canola oil, put it in a pot over high heat, and then we're going to cut it down to medium high and drop our shrimp. We're going to fry the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure it's crispy. Yes, baby. So now that we have our fried shrimp, we're going to make a sauce. Thai sweet chili with mayonnaise. I said it, just 2 ingredients and honey. Oh my gosh. How? It is so good. Whisk that thing up. Yes, baby. Now we're going to pour it all over that fried shrimp. Oh my goodness, you have no idea what kind of flavor we are creating. Stir that thing up, but be gentle. Be gentle, baby. We don't want to mess it up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Top it off with a little bit of cilantro. That's optional, y'all. But yes, honey, it's so good. Now let's taste this thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Mmm. Oh my. Yo, yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's so good. Bye.